Joshna George. I am coming from St. Teresa CGHS Ernakulam. National Paper Aeroplane Day is celebrated every year on May 26 to commemorate fanciful aeronautical toy. The paper planes have fascinated children and adults alike around the globe for generations. The day is usually celebrated with constants in two basic flight categories: distance and time in air. The practice of constructing paper planes is sometimes referred to as origami after origami, the Japanese art of paper folding. Crafting paper planes is said to have originated out of ancient China, but the art is said to have been perfected in Japan. Thank you. Have a nice day.